Hello everyone, welcome to GK Updates. Let's start our interesting session. First one is, which country is the host of Exercise Desert Flag 10? The answer is United Arab Emirates. Here are some interesting facts about this. The Indian Air Force is taking part in Exercise Desert Flag 10 from April 21 to May 8, 2025 at the AI, the FRA Air Base in the United Arab Emirates, UAE, commonly known as UAE. Exercise Desert Flag is a major multinational air combat exercise that trains different air forces under realistic war-like conditions. IAF has de- deployed two powerful aircraft, MiG-29 and Air Supervisory Fighter and Jaguar, a deep strike ground attack aircraft. This year is special as it marks 50 years since the MiG-29 was first launched. Air Force from 12 countries, including the United States, United Kingdom, and France, are also participating. The goal is to share knowledge, improve tactics, and boost coordination in complex air combat missions. The second one is, which state is home of India's first prototype first grader radar? First grader reactor. In short, we can call it PFBR. The answer is Tamil Nadu. Here are some interesting facts about this. India's first prototype first breeder reactor at Kalpakappam in Tamil Nadu is expected to be commenced next year. It marks a major step in the second stage of India's three-stage nuclear power program. The PFBR is a 500 megawatt electric sodium cooled reactor that uses fast neutrons instead of slow neutrons. It was developed by Bharatiya Nabhikya Vidyut Nigam Limited, that is commonly known as Bhavani, set up in 2003 under the Department of Atomic Energy, that is DAE. The third one is CROP, known as Comprehensive Remote Sensing Observation on Crop Progress, is a framework developed by which organization? The answer is National Remote Sensing Center. In short, we may say it NRSC. Here are some interesting facts about this sensing center is, the Indian Space Research Organization, that is known as ISRO, has participated that wheat production from 8 major states will reach 122,724 million tons by March 31st, 2025. This estimate was made using satellite-based remote sensing technology for better accuracy and timely updates. ISRO, National Remote Sensing Center NRSC, has developed a system called CROP, which stands for Comprehensive Remote Sensing Observation on Crop Progress. CROP is a semi-automated and scalable system that monitors crop sowing, growth, and harvesting in near real time. It mainly supports agricultural planning during the Rabi season. This comes as remote sensing in agriculture marks 50 years of global use. The fourth one is, what is the theme for Earth Day 2025? The answer is our Earth, our planet. Sorry, this is wrong. The correct answer is our power, our planet. Here are some interesting facts about this theme is Earth Day is celebrated every year on April 22 and is one of the largest global movement for environmental protection. The theme of Earth Day 2025 is our power, our planet, calling for a major shift to renewable energy. It urges individuals, businesses, and governments to triple clean energy production by 2030. The first Earth Day was held on April 22, 1970, led by the United States Senator Gaylord Nelson to raise awareness about environmental issues. Around 20 million Americans joined that day, making up 10% of the US population. In 1990, Earth Day became a global event which, with over 200 million people from 141 countries participating. It reminds us of our shared duty to the care for nature and tackle climate changes. The fifth one is INS Chennai that was recently seen in news is part of which class of Indian Navy ship? The answer is Kolkata class. Here are some interesting facts about this. Indian Navy ships INS Chennai and INS Kisan successfully performed maneuvering exercise and visit to board search and seizure. VBSS in short, drills during the sea phases of Africa India key maritime engagement. Common, in short, it is AIKEYME 2025. INS Chennai is the third and final ship of the Kolkata class stealth guided missiles destroyers under Project 15A. The first two ships of this class were INS Kolkata and INS Kochi. INS Chennai was built by Maison Dock Limited, commonly known as MDL in Mumbai. It was commenced into the Indian Navy on November 21, 2016. It operates under the Western Naval Command, ensuring security in the Arabian Sea region. That's all in this session. For more videos like this, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.